Hello, so this is part 4 of the Rota sliding. So after much thought, I came up with Master Tab B, which I'll show you in a minute, because once I show you, the video will be over. It's that quick. So just to recap, on the 955, this column will be 7 o'clock finish, 8 o'clock finish. But within that, I have actually done quite a lot of work, making sure that when some of the times doesn't need to be slide. So if I do Control Alt, you can actually see there are some core hours that does not need to slide. There are some times that they finish at 8 o'clock that does not need to be slide. So I just copy and paste all of this in. Once I fine-tune all of this, I was rather pleased because the result was very much spot on, and I don't need to do a lot of manually adjusting on Master Tab A. So I'm do Control Alt again to exit. Now let's go back to the master. The first person we're going to look at is test 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now remember, test 1 is located at the position Z, okay? We'll come back to that later. So if we recap, if you go to Master Tab A, you actually just input column next to it, and it will start to slide A. It will start to translate everything for you. 725 would be 955. And I purposely choose test 4 because test 4 actually lie within the zone where you don't need to change the shift. So you can actually see everything is working. I purposely choose test 2 because there are some time that they need to slide and sometimes they do not need to slide. And I was rather pleased with the result because I've done the adjustment to 955, and that got me started. If the result is so good, why do I even need to like copy all of this and paste it on? It's just extra work. So that's why I came up with Master Tab B. Now the Master Tab B, remember Z is the position of test 1. So paste, 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 paste. And all of this is slide already. So because the rest of the shop floor, I don't want to show the actual people's name, so I'm just going to blacken their name. So as you can see, that's the rest of the floor. So I'm just going to copy, paste, copy, paste, drag. I'm doing the entire shop floor, by the way. I mean, I could have done this a bit quicker if I just make this a bit smaller, but we just talk about a few seconds difference, really. I mean, ground floor is actually quite a big floor. I mean, for me to do the entire ground floor in, what, 1 minute? I think that's quite good. All the blackened names are real people, and if you want to stop and look, you can. I mean, pause to look. There you go. And then if I actually do Control and Add, as you can see, it's all formulas. So this is where I have to remove the formulas. Later I will do that. And then on the main tab, I got the slide B for you to use. This will read Master Tab B. I'm running out of time. I hope you like it. I will be removing all the formulas in